the strike? Well, actually, it depends on their preference. Both are opening, and maybe Arnav, because he's been asked to open alongside Bipin. So Arnav is being given the first strike so that, the butterflies in the stomach will settle down for him and also for Bipin Saurabh, because the last thing Darbhanga want, because this is their last league match for Darbhanga. Difficult to get a little bit of view from that angle. Looks like a leg by. Yeah, it is. Waiting for the final confirmation. I've seen openers, two openers, they debate amongst themselves. Some prefer to stand at the non-strikers end all the time. Somebody like Virendra Sehwag, that was surely going down the leg. This is the camp. Danny Morrison was saying that we are very confident after that win. 150 was the target given to them by Bhagalpur, and they did look under a bit of trouble in the middle overs, but then Suryavansham bailed them out. Today, let's see what Darbhanga can offer. Remember, Darbhanga wins, they go through to the semi-finals, but if Patna win, then 3 teams will have 4 points each, and then it will boil down to the net run rate. Yeah, tomorrow, mind you, is the last day of the league stages. 25th, we have the semi-finals. 26th, we have the big grand final of the inaugural edition of Bihar Cricket League. So far, yes, it has garnered the headlines. It has hit people's hearts. It is staying there. It's the talk of, not just down the top of the country as well. Again, a lot of questions asked, but all negated by the umpire. Bipin Saurabh trying to walk down the track, premeditated. Will definitely feel he missed out on an opportunity. Could not get the full toss to the middle of the blade. Yeah. And sometimes you want to get the momentum that you had the previous day. Easy? Not easy. You can easily find out one day will be entirely so different from the other day. No 2 days in life and in sport are similar. He's played 2 balls, he's still quiet. Very, very unlikely. There he tries to drives it. How many runs? Not from exactly the meat of the bat. So I won't be surprised if this is going to be 3 runs. It is going to be 3 runs. And that will bring us to the end of the over, 4 without loss.